Hey everyone! Welcome back. If you spend a lot of time on your computer, knowing keyboard shortcuts can save you hours of work. Today, I'll show you 20 of the most useful Windows shortcuts. That'll make you a productivity pro. Some of these you might know, but stick around because I guarantee there are a few hidden gems you'll love. Let's dive in. Basic but powerful shortcuts. 1. Ctrl+C, copy, and Ctrl+V, paste. Let's start with the classics. Ctrl+C copies selected text or files, and Ctrl+V pastes them. You use these daily, but did you know? If you press Windows+V, you can actually view your clipboard history. More on that later. 2. Ctrl+X, cut, and Ctrl+Z, undo. Instead of copying, use Ctrl+X to cut text or files. It removes them from the original location. And if you make a mistake, Ctrl+Z to the rescue. It works almost everywhere: documents, photo editing, even file movements. 3. Ctrl+Y, redo. Accidentally undone something? Press Ctrl+Y to redo the last action. Super useful when editing documents. 4. Ctrl+A, select all. Want to highlight everything in one go? Ctrl+A selects all text, files, or elements in a folder instantly. 5. Windows+D, show desktop. Too many windows open? Press Windows+D to instantly minimize everything and jump to your desktop. Press it again to bring all your windows back. Navigation and multitasking shortcuts. 6. Alt+Tab, switch apps. This one is a game changer for multitaskers. Press Alt+Tab to quickly switch between open apps. Hold Alt and keep tapping Tab to cycle through all your active windows. 7. Windows+Tab, task view. Want a fancier way to switch apps? Try Windows+Tab, it opens task view, showing all open windows and virtual desktops. 8. Windows+L, lock screen. Stepping away from your PC? Windows+L locks your screen instantly, keeping your data safe. This is a must-know shortcut, especially if you work in an office. 9. Ctrl+Shift+Escape, open Task Manager. PC running slow? Press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open Task Manager directly and check what's using up memory. 10. Windows+E, open File Explorer. Need quick access to your files? Windows+E launches File Explorer instantly. Alright, those were the basics. Now, let's dive into some power user shortcuts. Advanced and lesser-known shortcuts. 11. Windows+I, open settings. Instead of searching through menus, use Windows+I to open settings directly. 12. Windows+R, run command box. For quick access to tools like msconfig, cmd, or regedit, press Windows+R and type the command. 13. Windows+S, search bar. Need to find a file, app, or setting? Windows+S opens the search bar instantly, no need to move your mouse. 14. Ctrl+P, print. Printing something? Ctrl+P works in browsers, PDFs, and documents. 15. Ctrl+T, new tab in browser. Browsing the web? Open a new tab instantly with Ctrl+T. 16. Ctrl+W, close tab. Done with a tab? Close it quickly using Ctrl+W. 17. Alt+F4, close apps. This is a power move. Alt+F4 instantly closes an active window. If you're on the desktop, it brings up the shutdown menu. 18. Ctrl+D, delete and send to recycle bin. Need to delete something quickly? Press Ctrl+D to move files to the recycle bin. 19. Windows+Shift+S, screenshot tool. Taking screenshots just got easier. Windows+Shift+S brings up the snipping tool, so you can capture just a part of your screen instead of the whole thing. 20. Windows+V, clipboard history. Remember when I mentioned Windows+V? This lets you view your entire clipboard history. If you copy something important and forget to paste it, just press Windows+V to recover it. And that's a wrap. Master these 20 shortcuts, and you'll save tons of time every day. Let me know in the comments which shortcut you found most useful, or if you have a favorite I didn't mention. Want more productivity tips? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech hacks. See you in the next one. Stay productive.